this week's Royal Roundup!
It's Miss DeMont's over in 417 in the corner. Some of you know me, some of you don't. H for Hopkins, Hopkins Pride. We care about you guys. I'm wearing my shirt today, getting stuff out of your lockers, wearing my mask. Wear your mask when you go out. It can make all the difference. Keep your family safe. You might be fine, keep Granny safe. Mwah, miss you all. Look at my awesome mask my mom gave me. Oh. Can't do it.
Hey. Oh, hey.
Alright guys, this is why we make sure our lockers are clean and we don't keep food in our lockers, because then people like me have to clean it out. That's gross!
I miss everybody. It's lonely here without you all. I am returning books, classroom books that were in kids' lockers. A lot of them, but to be honest, the kids didn't know that they weren't coming back to school. So.
Hi, students of NJH. We have been working for 2 days getting this whole structure full of, we've emptied out 900 lockers, a ton of gym lockers. We've found rotting fruit. We have found people's birthday gifts and wrapping paper that people put up for people's birthdays. It's been sweet. Found a lot of books. One locker had almost 40 books in it. I don't know how that happened. We've gotten all your books back to the library, to your teachers, that you need to. If you find a book that you need to return to us, I think you can bring it back in the fall. People will be driving up soon. Your parent will be to drop off your iPad, and then they'll give your first and last name to our runners. Sometimes it'll take a little while. Try to remember if you probably have a gym bag from us bagged up, and if you have just a regular locker. Many of you had nothing in your locker. We did check every locker. Stay safe out there. It's been a blast this year with you when we could be with you. Hope you have a good summer, and we really are hoping to see you in the fall. Take care and enjoy your stuff. There's good shoes in a couple of them. Bye.
Bye!
Have a great summer, everyone.
Next, we have a book review from Miss Legatt.
Artemis Fowl is not your typical main character in this book by Eoin Colfer. He's 12, he's a millionaire, a genius, and he's a criminal. Aren't main characters supposed to be good in the book? His life gets more complicated when he kidnaps a fairy, Holly Short of the Leprechaun Unit. This leads him on to a dangerous adventure with goblins and dwarves and centaurs. These are not your traditional storytime creatures. If you're looking for sci-fi and a fantasy that's a little out of the ordinary, check out the Artemis Fowl series.
It's time for the bride drawing! Woo!
Yay! Isaiah Ponce is recognized by HOND Grade 8 for being positive and respectful. Regina Hernandez Chavez is recognized by Mrs. Rosenberg, being determined, Grade 7. Nevaeh Sturkley is recognized by Salter for being determined, Grade 8. Kenji Young is recognized by Schaefer, Grade 8, being determined.
That's it for this week's Royal Roundup.
Thanks for watching.